Here's a short video on how to log into the CCP databases from home. So first go to MyCCP and log in. Next go to Student Quick Links and click Library. And go to Databases, Databases A through Z. And then since we're going from home, you need to go over here and go Off Campus, click here. And now here's our list of databases. And by right-clicking on my mouse, I can open them up in another tab. Click Full Text Scholarly Peer Review. Lots of stuff. Computer reference is better than Wikipedia. Lots of good sources here describing topics that you can define. JSTOR is a really good source because all of the sources are peer-reviewed. You don't have to click any buttons for that. There you go. So that's the basics of signing into the databases from home and using three of the basics: EBSCO, Credo, and JSTOR. That's it for this video. I'll talk to you next time.